Good morning, dear children. Welcome to social class. Today, I will be teaching you new chapter, that is our environment. Children, this year we celebrated Environment Day with the theme as ecosystem restoration. Children, do you remember this month we have celebrated Environment Day? Yes, 5th of this month. It is a collective and individual responsibility to preserve and tend to the world in which we all live. This means we should preserve, we should protect our environment in which we live. It is everyone's duty. Now let us see what is environment. Our surroundings where we can see sky, rivers, buildings, plants, water, etc. is known as environment. Children, near your house or surroundings, you can see buildings, plants, birds, then you can see few animals, river, mountains, etc. So that is called as environment. Every year on 5th June, World Environment Day is celebrated. So every year we celebrate World Environment Day. On which day we celebrate? We celebrate it on 5th June. Children, World Environment Day was first celebrated in 1974 with the theme of Only One Earth. So first it was celebrated in 1974 and the theme was Only One Earth. That means whole world means one earth. Okay, now let us move on to next part. Why do we celebrate Environment Day? Do you know why do we celebrate Environment Day? Yes, let me explain. This day is celebrated to encourage the awareness and protect environment. So, why we celebrate? To spread the awareness. That means we have to educate each one of them to protect the environment, to plant more trees, not to cut the trees. So, in this way, the awareness is spread through everyone. Saving our environment is in our hand. That means the environment protection is done by people. We people should protect the environment. Children, on this day, schools, colleges, government officers, NGOs and other citizens come forward to spread the awareness. Our whole life is depend on the environment. The need of human beings for food, water, shelter and other things depend on the environment around us. We also celebrate Environment Day in our school. On that day, our principal along with other members will plant seedlings and saplings. Here children, seedlings and saplings means small plants grown from the seeds. Children, on this day, we also wear green color dress to represent the nature and also have small skits based on nature. Here are few points to be kept in your mind. That is, measures to protect our environment. The cleanliness of our surroundings give us a healthy life. So if our surrounding is clean, we will have a healthy life. Right? We will not get any disease. We will be fit and fine. First, it starts from our home. So we have to start it from our home. The wastes of our homes should be thrown in the dustbin. We should not throw the waste here and there. Children, whatever waste is there at our home, we should not throw it on the road. We have to throw it on the dustbin, in the dustbins. Okay, then reduce, reuse and recycle the materials. We should not waste the materials. We have to use it in a proper way and we have to reduce the usage of plastic. Okay, we should not pollute air. Children, you can see in the picture, the air is polluted and we breathe that air and we get diseases. You can see in the picture, the black color smoke is coming out of the factory, which is dangerous for us to breathe. So we have to stop it. Next, children, using of vehicles is also harmful. The smoke which comes out from the vehicle is not good for health. So instead of using vehicles, we can use cycle. By using cycle, the air is also not polluted and is also good exercise for our body. It keeps us fit and fine. Okay, next we should conserve water. We should not throw the plastics in rivers, lakes, oceans, etc. You have seen in many beaches while playing, you find so many plastic waste, plastic bottles are floating in the water. So we have to stop that also. We have to keep our nature clean, right children? Every drop of water is very precious. So preserve every drop of water. Green earth, clean earth. Let it breathe. Save earth, save our environment, plant more trees. All we need to contribute to save the environment is by planting more trees, saving the trees, reducing plastic usage, and by saving all natural resources. Children, the environment has given us so much now. It is our duty to keep it safe for the next generation. Children, I hope you understood the lesson. That's all for today. Thank you.